Product name, Samsung EVO Select Micro SD Memory Card Plus Adapter. The Samsung EVO Select microSDXC memory card is a high-performance memory card that comes with a storage capacity of 256 GB. It has a read speed of up to 130 MB per second and write speeds that won't drop below 30 MB per second. The card is rated as UHS-I, V30, and U3 class, which makes it ideal for recording Ultra HD 4K and Full HD video, as well as RAW and JPEG photos. The card comes with a full-size SD adapter that allows you to use it with a variety of devices. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: high storage capacity, fast read and write speeds. Ideal for recording Ultra HD 4K and Full HD video. Comes with a full-size SD adapter. Cons: the price of the product is relatively high. In conclusion, the Samsung EVO Select microSDXC memory card is a great product for those who need high-performance memory cards with a large storage capacity. It comes with fast read and write speeds, is ideal for recording Ultra HD 4K and Full HD video, and comes with a full-size SD adapter. However, the price of the product is relatively high. The price of the product is from $7.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.